introduction to the FT3 machine. FUTTEC AS introduces the unique FT3 machine designed for permanent repairs of potholes and other damage to asphalt surfaces on roads, cycle paths and other asphalted areas. The machine can be used all year long in the summer and winter seasons and even in freezing temperatures, and the surface repair can thus always be provided in a timely manner, preventing its further expansion. The FT3 machine is offered as a complete independent system with which a two-member vehicle crew can promptly repair a damaged area to a high quality within just tens of minutes. Description of the technology. Maximum repair quality is achieved thanks to the technology of the actions of microwave radiation used for a balanced heating of the wearing cores around the pothole and at its base, which must be cleaned thoroughly before commencing the process. The microwave technology, by its principle, heats up the repaired area to a technological temperature exceeding 100 degrees centigrade without undesirable burning of the asphalt binder and without thus degrading the original bitumen. To localize the effects of the microwave radiation and at the same time to improve the mechanical characteristics of the binding between the original surface and added material, a primer is used. This allows the effective concentration of the heating effectively at the point of bonding of both layers and at the same time increasing its strength by sieving the binder, thus extending the durability of local repairs. Adding melted hot packaged mixture or selected recycled material and its following compaction results in perfect binding with the original surface without transition joints. The technology also includes a boiler to heat up the required volume to the asphalt repair mixture, which is released at the same time as the asphalt surface is heated up. The FT3 machine. The FT3 machine is designed for the repair of potholes from just a few centimeters up to the maximum effective area of the machine of 100 to 80 centimeters. Larger areas can then be heated up in several subsequent steps. The heating time depends on the temperature of the asphalt layer and the pothole area defined by primer coating. The initial temperature of the surface for determining the heating time and checking the process temperature are checked by thermal camera. The machine has undergone multiple testing under real conditions and has also proved itself for purposes other than those for which it was originally designed. In addition to pothole repairs, it may also be effectively used for binding joints in asphalt surfaces or repairs of a mechanically damaged asphalt surface. From the point of view of safety, the FT3 machine is certified from both the technical and medical point of view. The machine is equipped with a semi-automatic controls with audio and light alarms for safe and simple operation. Upon activation of the heating, the potential leak of microwaves is checked according to the work procedure. The repair technology was developed and patented in cooperation with the Institute of Chemical Processes of the Czech Academy of Science. Benefits of the FT3 machine technology in the repair of asphalt surfaces. Innovation. The unique patented technology provides in-depth heating of the repaired area without degrading the asphalt mixture, which we guarantee with the highest strength and durability of the repaired area regardless of the time of year, including the winter months. Efficiency. Thanks to this unique technology, part of the technological tasks necessary for the conventional repair method are eliminated. When compared with conventional methods, this method is also faster, potholes are repaired within a single procedure, without the milling and sealing of joints, etc. Quality. By thoroughly melting the base and mixture using this method, a strong bond of both parts is formed, and this limits the formation of cracks and water penetration in the repaired pothole, which cause its subsequent erosion and caving.